This because it helps us on making decisions. If we are aware of our strengths and weaknesses, it helps us choosing our career. It also helps us, it is important to know yourself. It is because it helps us understood other people. It helps us appreciate other people because we can relate to what they have possessed, those shortfalls that they have felt or experienced are just normal. And also, it helps us understand more of ourselves. So when you know yourself, you understand yourself. And of course, as the saying goes, awareness is the key. Awareness is the key. When you understand yourself, of course, you always come up with better decisions. Okay, let's proceed. Some traits may be similar to your other siblings or to some peers, but no two individuals are alike, thus make special and unique. So sometimes we relate to other peers or other siblings. We share the same feeling, we share the same likes or dislikes, but still there are some traits now different from each other, and that makes you special and unique. Now let's proceed to self-assessment. So when we say self-assessment, it is assessing oneself. So here is a 5 foolproof steps to get to know yourself. First is to get to know your personality. So know more of ourselves. How are we going to know more of our personality? Sometimes we need to connect more of ourselves. Have some meditation, have some time alone, and then there you are able to know your personality. Next is get to know your core values. So all of us have this set of values, no? I always believe that all of us have these things that we really value. For example, I value family. So that means that I am family oriented. Next is get to know your body. Of course, to really get to know yourself, you need to be aware of your body. Allergic to these things, or you cannot run longer, you need to know your health. You need to be aware of yourself. And next is get to know your likes and dislikes. Of course, this is very easy to understood, right? Now it is the time for question. Go deeper, or to dig deeper within ourselves to know who we really are. Ask yourself. First is awareness of purpose. We all have purpose of living here, right? Some of us might not know yet. That's why you need to ask yourself, what is your dream? What is your purpose of living here? Next is awareness of values. So be aware of the set of values that you are going to value. For example, if you value family, you need to be aware of that so that you are always reminded that you value your family. Now, if a problem comes, you will not forget your family. Or if your family hurt you, you will not let the pain prevail because you value family. You are a family-oriented person. Next is awareness of skills and passion. No? You should be aware of your skills. And then when you're aware of that, of course, that's the aspect of your life that you will enhance. And maybe, muna siya ay possible career nimo in the near future. and look for the things that you are passionate about. If you are passionate of the thing, then fight for it. That would help you know who you really are, or know more of your identity. Next is awareness of fears, distraction, and excuses. We all have these fears. So you ask yourself, what am I afraid of? What are my fears? What are the distractions? What are always my excuses? Be aware of this so that every time that fear will attack you, you are aware and you are able, of course, when you are aware, you are able to overcome it. This distraction and excuses are the hindrance of our success. So be aware of it so that the next time it attacks you, you are already aware and you know how to fight for it, or how you fight to it. Next is awareness of ego. No, sometimes we forget our true identity. We sometimes tend to forget who we really are. It is because we let our ego prevail. So you need to be aware of it. And next is awareness of lessons. In this journey of our life, we will encounter many lessons. And the answer of who we really are is changing. Know that we are changing every day. It's like we are upgrading every day. And this lesson, because this lesson will mold you to who you are, will mold you to be a better person. Is the awareness of change. The saying goes, change is the only constant thing in this world. Every day we are changing subconsciously or consciously, and every day the situation in our life might change. So be ready always. Know that tomorrow is not certain. We'll end our discussion for today reminding you that knowing ourselves and mastering ourselves is a true power. Never compromise yourself. Always be confident and know that you are enough. Okay, now class dismissed.